How to hide Facebook Reels permanently. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to hide your Facebook Reels permanently, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, now you have to launch the very Facebook application on your mobile device. For that, you have to tap on Facebook application like this. After you tap on Facebook application like this, Facebook will be launched on your very mobile device. After Facebook is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After you tap on the three lines on the top, now you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy. After that, you have to tap on the option of settings. When you tap on the option of settings, now you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to just scroll down. After scrolling down, now you have to go to the next option. That is the option of Reels. After you tap on the option of the Reels, now you can see an interface like this. Now, what you can do is you can go back as well. Now, one thing you have to remember is that to just permanently delay the features of Reels out there, it has not drawn in Facebook permanently. Therefore, what you can do now is you can go to your Play Store on your mobile device, go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Play Store there, and then tap on the Play Store. And when you tap on the option of the Play Store, now you have to go to the search icon on the Play Store. And when you go to the search icon on the Play Store, now here you have to search Facebook there. And after you tap on Facebook, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down and tap on the Facebook like this. If you see the option of update, you have to update your very application. And after scrolling down, when you see the contact of the developer contact of the Facebook, you have to contact with the developer saying that you can bring this kind of features on Facebook. And after developer receives it, this feature may be brought in Facebook. Thank you for watching our video. And if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.